I've got this garage installation kit with this rubber, which is EPDM rubber. It is very durable, tear resistant, and compression resistant. It is perfect for sealing off the bottom of the garage. We've got really hot summers and really cold winters, so this just helps keep the garage super insulated. Comes with everything you need. It's got the strips that you put on. It's got tape. How you install it is you clean the bottom really well, and then you take this piece, and it's got these grooves for the rubber. You take these pieces and you take the tape and you just kind of tape it up all along the bottom, and then you screw in. And you take the screws and you screw it into the bottom. When you've got this all screwed into the bottom, then you take this and you slide it through. And if you're having issues sliding it through, if you take some soapy water, it helps. It should slide on pretty easy. Look at this thick layer. When it's up on the garage, it's gonna have this total thick layer of extra protection, extra insulation. Super durable, easy to cut if you need to adjust the size.